Okay, so there is a new feature coming in Windows 11 called Low Latency Profile, in short LLP, which will boost the performance and system responsiveness by 70% and boost app launches by 40%. If you go and check this blog post from Windows Central, they have done a comparison video, low latency disabled and low latency enabled. And you can see the difference here when they perform different actions like open start menu, file explorer, and there is a huge difference. Things are launching way faster with the new low latency profile. Right now, this is an experimental feature in Windows 11 test builds. So when this LLP profile is enabled, it will make your CPU spike at its maximum frequency in short bursts. It will last around 1 to 3 seconds. Like for split second, your CPU will spike to the maximum when you do the interaction with your system, like launching applications or opening start menu. And this is not a brand new technology. There is this console called Nintendo Switch. In 2019, Nintendo released a firmware update that introduced boost mode, which is basically a LLP that allows CPU to jump from 1 gigahertz to 1.7 gigahertz, especially during loading screens to reduce wait time. So the new LLP feature in Windows 11 will work similar way. So when you launch any application, let's say Task Manager, your CPU will spike at maximum to launch the application as fast as possible. So I have the Windows 11 test build installed on VM, so I can try this new feature. So there is a tutorial by Pure Infotech, so we're gonna use that. So first we need to download a tool called Vive tool from GitHub. Let's unzip this because it's a zip file. Now let's follow the instructions on the blog post. We need to run terminal as administrator and we need to go to the Vive tool location in terminal. So we're gonna do cd and paste the location of our Vive tool folder and hit enter just like that. Now we just simply use this command and ID to enable that feature and it should say successful something. No, I'm going to use the command prompt. I'm pretty sure the command prompt will work because PowerShell has strict policies. Okay, let's paste that inside the command prompt and hit enter. And it says successfully set feature configurations. Now we just need to restart our computer. And after a restart, the system should feel more responsive. And there is a way to test this out actually. Let's open the task manager and let's make the task manager to stay always on top so we can monitor the performance of our system, especially the CPU. Now we're going to open the file explorer and other applications and we should see a huge spike in CPU. So let's open file explorer and yeah, you can see my CPU went up to 80%. We are inside the VM, so it might not feel that fast. So again, this is a test feature, so things might not work as expected. So we'll have to wait for it to actually come to the stable, more polished and all that. But again, if you go and check out the Windows Central post and the video that they made, you can actually see the difference. LLP actually makes system more responsive, and when you launch applications, they open much faster. There is going to be one downside of this. When the CPU is running at its max, even if it's for split seconds, like 1 to 3 seconds, your CPU will generate a little bit extra heat. So your CPU's temperature will go a little bit above. I'll do a better comparison video when it actually comes out to the stable release of Windows 11. And I also want to test it on the base clock of the CPU. Like for example, right now, my CPU's base clock is 3.6 gigahertz and the boosted clock speed is 4.6. I can actually disable the boosted clock speed. That's what I actually do sometime when my PC is running too hot using third-party software or just simply tweaking some settings. So I want to see when I use my CPU at base clock for whatever reason, maybe I just want the lower temperature, will it work? If it works, then how? So I just want to know that. Okay. So again, right now, this feature is available in experimental builds. So it's probably not polished. Okay. They're doing the tests right now. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.